Innovation has always been the driving force behind our production techniques. 60 tons of stamping pressure, 14,000 blades per row, and 20 hydraulic presses produce each individual blade. Today, the blades are punched from steel that is 95% recycled. The blades are rounded by using abrasive pyramidal ceramic stones. These machines grind them down to 200th of a millimeter of accuracy. As a comparison, a hair is 600th of a millimeter. Each blade is then stamped on the tang, our own certificate of authenticity and seal of quality. The blades are then placed in large ovens heated to 1050 degrees Celsius. This hardens the blades, ensuring that they cut accurately and stay sharp for a long time. Precision grinding gives the final sharpening, a delicate final touch, tested and perfected on millions of Victorinox blades. The first pocket knives delivered to the Swiss Army were sturdy but heavy. Unsatisfied with the knives, Karl Elsener I developed a lighter, elegant model in 1897. This marked the birth of today's officer's knife. Since then we have continuously worked on the original Swiss Army knife. Today, there are over 400 different models with up to 80 functions and over 110 single components, depending on the model. Over 1,000 different parts are stored, ready for assembly. Every month, 13 million components are used in production. Our iconic red scales start out their life as small pellets. Oversized large and long suction pipes transport the pellets at high pressure into the respective injection molding machines. These pellets are then melted down to form scales that are durable, sustainable, and are designed to resist a lifetime of wear and tear. It takes 8 grams of pellets to create the scales that come in a wide variety of colors. They all are marked with our cross and shield logo. The machines put all the individual components together, layer by layer. Our state-of-the-art technology allows us to produce 45,000 pocket knives per day, but in order to ensure quality, certain processes must still be completed by hand. Each model of the Swiss Army knife includes a different combination of tools, which have been designed with a specific user in mind. Our classic standard tools include blades, corkscrews, can openers, screwdrivers, awls, and bottle openers. When all the tools are in place, the knife gets its finishing touch.